Ay, God. I need some water.
Honey, I'm coming.
That's so hurt.
Alhamdulillah. Lang, excited na kayo kumuga sa akong anak.
Ako po lang.
Hindi, sakit naman akong tiyan.
Tabang! Tabang!
Kasakit! Alhamdulillah.
Good morning, class. Now let's tackle about basic mathematics. So, do you know what is 1 plus 1? 2. 2 plus 2.
4,
4 plus 4. 8. 8 plus 8.
16,
16 plus 16. 32. So, 32 plus 32.
64, ma'am.
Okay, class dismiss.
Is she competing with me? Are you competing with me?
Are you threatened?
Bring it on, girl.
Imong mama dagko. Ulit na ko.
Oh my God! Honey, our daughter is so beautiful and smart.
Yes, I know, honey, that our daughter is beautiful and smart. But she needs to be more prettier than other girls.
Mom, Dad, I met a girl who is very ugly and not so smart. I know that I'm not beautiful too, but I am smart. And she told me that imong mama na go.
OMG, what?
Stop, honey. Calm down. I have an idea. What's that, Papa?
So, the first thing that we need to do, my beautiful daughter, is we need to run faster.
What, Mother? I can do that. You know how fat I am. But if that's the solution for me to be able to become more sexier, then we will do that, okay? Let's run now, Mother.
Okay.
I'm so tired. Mother, you stand up there. If we want to achieve a beautiful body, then let's continue running. Mother, the second tip that I know that will make us very beautiful and have a fit body, we need to make 500 push-ups.
Are you sure it will make us beautiful?
Yes, Mother, I'm 100% sure. Let's go. I can do this. I can't do this anymore.
Oh my God!
I think we already achieved the beautiful body that we want!
Okay, daughter, I think we need to celebrate.
What, Mother? You mean we will eat? Yeah! Let's go!
Muli na po datong Inday. Uy! Inday! Nanay ka diri! Oh, paang saman? Ang saman imong adlaw karon. Ma'am, pang, may nakausap ako na mataba, pangit, at madita, pero matalino. At sinabi ko sa kanya na, imong mama dagko. Ha?
Ha? Bakit mo naman yan sinabi? Alam mo naman na nakakasakit yun ng damdamin.
Sa susunod anak, huwag mo na sila pansinin, magpakumbaba ka at maging mabait na bata. Tandaan mo yan ha? Yes po, ma'am. Hello, Casey, let's on. Gusto ko lang sana humingi ng pasensya sa'yo kanina sa sinabi kong imong mama dagko.
Oh my God, who is this? Is this Micah, Chichi, on? About what happened earlier, I don't mind it. I don't care about it anymore. Apology accepted. By the way, Micah, Chichi, on. Are you free later? Are you not busy later? Can we meet up later?
Hindi naman ako busy mamaya. Saan ba tayo magkikita?
I will just send you the address. Restaurant 689. Anything is free. Food is free. Fare is free. Because I know you don't have money. I'll pay everything.
Grabe ka naman makapagsalita. Sige, mag-aayos muna ako.
Okay. Bye, poor girl. See you later.
See you later, Casey. Let's on.
See you later, Micah. Chichi on. Hello, Micah. Chichi on. Are you now ready?
I am ready. Born to be ready.
Me too. I am ready. I am born to be wild. See you. Before anything else, Frank Hubahu and Micah Chichion, let's have a drink first. Cheers. By the way, yesterday, when we were in school, we have been in an argument just because of our ugly one-eyed teacher. And with that, I have a very, very nice plan.
Are you sure with that, Casey?
Yes, I am 100% sure.
Could you share me what's your plan?
Of course not. Let's have a drink again. You're getting into my nerves, Micah and Frank Hubahu.
I'm sorry, ladies. I have an urgent meeting. I have to go. Excuse me.
Go on, Frank Hubahu. Do you know our plan is very beautiful? Are you agree with that?
Yes, I agree.
Okay, so it's a girl power, okay? Let's go.
Sigurado ka ba dito, Casey?
Yes, I am 100% sure. You deserve this very ugly one eye.
Congratulations to our valedictorian school year 2024 to 2025. No other than Miss Micah Chichion.
This is the last day of you being high. This is Miss Casey Lechon, the real valedictorian.